Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I am going to share a card that I made with the Purse Mini album. So I did not use, of course, all of the dies that are in the set, but I did use the one for the closure, the little flap for the closure. I used, of course, the outer part of the purse, and then the layering piece. And I want to say that's all I used. Yeah, so I think that's all I used. So I'm going to show you my card. It was so much fun. You know, this is really just a sample. I was just playing around with it to see what I could make, and I wanted a card. So this was my card, and it's really simple. I used this flower background, and that was just a paper, you know, that I had in my stash. So and I just used some pop of color drops here. I used some bling for the top. I cut out the word thanks. And this is the little closure piece that I said I had used. I didn't use the layering piece because I wanted it to match the top of the purse. Oh, and I did use that little piece that goes on the handles. So the inside of my card looks like this. I did put a little border strip and a couple of flowers that I thought would make the front look cute. So my little card has a surprise element. So the flap does lift up, and when you lift it up, it holds a gift card. So there is a gift card. All I did was cut the layering piece, made a slit, and that will allow the card to, you know, slide in and out. And I just thought that was pretty fun for a gift card holder. So that is what I've made. And then to close it up, you just tuck this little piece back in there, and it is closed. Really simple, but it is very helpful when you're going to give out a gift card. So I just had plenty of space for a message, and on the back, I didn't do anything for the back. I'm not sure, I should have made an envelope, but I'm not sure what size envelope I would make. I would have to look on my board to see what comes closest to that. But really simple card. It holds a gift card. So this is a gift card holder. All right guys, I just thought I'd come in and show you really quickly what I made, and this takes no time at all because all you have to do is cut and paste. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot guys.